official launch of the Forcite MK1 helmet. It's such a good time to be in motorcycling. This type of technology has always been at the forefront of what riders are thinking about today.
Oh, I think it's going to be a big improvement. The new liner is pretty plush on the face. It's really nice. They've got the sort of curtain that's going to add to just to help with the wind noise reduce a little bit. The new speakers in there, I just think everything about this helmet is going to be awesome. We've really been asking everyone around, all the riders, what needs to improve, and that's what they've done. They've improved it all, so I can't wait.
I think it's great to see all the motorcycling community here, and we want to put our money where our mouth is and let people try the product out for themselves and be the judge.
Just the fact that it's made in Australia, really, something that is so modern and groundbreaking, is just so exciting to be behind, that it's literally made in my backyard.
Tonight's been fantastic because you get a chance to speak to the whole team. They kind of give you insights about the whole development across the last 4 years or 5 years, I think. So yeah, it's been really cool.
We're really passionate about motorcycling. We want to keep pushing our boundaries. We want to keep innovating and hopefully give back more to our motorcycle community.